Hi, I'm Joe with Rescue Air, and I'm excited for what I'm about to show you. For the person that wants everything amazing, this one's for you. So what we did here was replace the attic stairs. We used to have the old wooden style with the springs. Now we have an aluminum stairs with a lot higher rating, much more secure. We have an attic tent here for extra insulation and to keep from all of the dust and dirt and insulation from falling down. You know, usually when you open these, there's a big mess. Not with this attic tent here. Alrighty, so the unit used to sit back over here in this tight space, very low to the ground, not good for drainage, not very good to work on. What we did here was a complete reduct of this house, added a ton of insulation, added a lot of decking, made this a very safe and accessible attic to be able to service the unit. Let's go take a look at it. So the first thing you may notice is this blue duct. Most people haven't seen this. This is an antimicrobial duct. For somebody that is focused on, the best air quality possible, this is where it starts. Behind me, this is a Rescue Air install where we have completely changed this attic. As I mentioned before, unit used to be over behind us, not very serviceable. We have redecked, built a platform, and where everything starts here is using this hung right system. This is a steel frame perimeter supported with aircraft cable. This is adjustable for the life of the system. If the house settles and we never ever need to readjust anything to keep things level, we can do that.